Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get shift lock on console for Roblox Steal a Brainrot. And basically, in order to get shift lock, there are a few methods you guys can do. The first method, which is the easiest method, is just grab a keyboard from your house. Just grab a keyboard and a mouse. Mainly a keyboard, you don't really need a mouse, but if you could get both, that would be recommended. Anyways, go ahead and connect that keyboard to your console, so whether that be PlayStation 5 or Xbox, whatever it is, it doesn't really matter. Just connect your keyboard. Once you connect your keyboard and you're able to move around, now that way you will know it's working, and all you have to do is click on the left shift on your keyboard. Make sure that in settings you have shift lock switch turned on. Now once that has been turned on, you also want to make sure that your movement mode does say keyboard, default keyboard, and then go ahead and turn on shift lock mode. And then now once you pick your controller back up and you start moving, you guys should have shift lock mode. Now there is another step that you guys can do if you do not have a PC. Now this may not work, but it could also work, so you might as well try it. But anyways, what you want to do is you want to go over to the charts section and you want to look for a game called Combat Warrior. Now from Combat Warrior, you want to go ahead and click on into it. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on the down D-pad on your controller, because this will activate the shift lock mode if you're on controller. So click on the down D-pad. It should be on the left side, most likely for PlayStation 5 and Xbox. Anyways, once you go over to play, go ahead and click on that, and then as soon as you click on shift lock mode, you want to instantly leave the game. So instantly leave the game, and you'll notice that the shift lock switch is still there. But anyways, you want to make your way over to charts, and then you just want to basically go back into Steal a Brainrot. Once you go back into Steal a Brainrot, I recommend doing it from the charts page, not clicking on anything else. But anyways, once you are on the Steal a Brainrot, you should spawn in with shift lock mode, and this could be done without a keyboard. Now, obviously, I am on PC, so it might not show that, but it should look different for you guys. Anyways, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.